What's poppin', my peeps? So, I have to unload my car. I shot a music video last night, got home super late, had a few things I had to do this morning. It's also Father's Day, but I was gonna be grilling for everybody, and then I'm going camping with Matt and a few other buddies. So yeah, I really gotta take everything out of the back of my car. Yeah, this is definitely my least favorite part about shooting music videos, is like unloading and resetting everything, but it needs to be done. Oh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Oh no. Uh-oh. That's not good. Ran into a little bit of a problem here. So, yeah. All the haze juice just got poured out in the back of my car. Why? Hello. How's it going? Dinner was good. Now we're back out in the woods.
Oh, dude, we don't have bug spray, do we?
Oh, shoot. That's what we forgot.
Last time we were here, we used this thing as a refrigerator. Homemade. Homemade, American made. By yours truly. We definitely need some bug spray.
Well, we'll make a fire.
Last time we came, we left wood and it's still here.
Dude, we're so smart. We were thinking of our future selves.
There she goes. Wow, she's roaring now.
I'm so mad I forgot my headlamp.
You don't need a headlamp. You're good. It's gonna be a hot one tonight.
Might just cut this in half now.
Yeah, probably. There you go.
There we go.
Boom. Welcome to Cooking in the Woods with Matt and Burke.
Episode 2.
On this episode,
Wow, these are freaking huge.
this is not sanitary whatsoever.
I don't think so, but hey. When you're in the woods, everything is clean. Right?
We'll just douse it with lemon. Gourmet camping cook. Gourmet camp cook.
Glamping.
She's ready to go.
All right. Give it a slap.
All right, here we go. They're going in the fire. Are you just throwing her in?
I don't know. What do you think we should do? We don't have a grate. Do you want it raw? Yeah, I want sushi.
It is wild caught, not farmed.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
There they are. Little salmon, guys. Okay, so I frigged up and I thought I was filming. Matt and I just ate the salmon.
It wasn't
came
recording?
Out. No, it wasn't recording.
Oh!
I know. I'm sorry.
Maybe we shouldn't use this as the first gourmet camping. This is the concept.
This is the concept. We won't tell them about the... Oh! And the light died!
Hey, I think that's a sign.
Salmon was banging, but I didn't film any of it, so... And the light died. I guess that's it. That's enough for me. I'm out. Peace.